Yellow. Mr. Lee here. All right, let's get some practice explaining our steps in the solving process. Okay, so this given kit has a collection of questions like so. There's just 2 lines, so we have to figure out what's going on between each step. Okay, so which explanation matches the step taken. This first one, your parentheses should be the key, right? I'm going to have a negative of the 2h, or a negative 1 times 2h, negative 1 times the negative 18. That's our distribution process, right? For this step, let's see what we got. First line, we got a lot of k's, right? So negative k plus 8k, 2k plus 8k. The second line turns very simple. So that should be a clue that we're probably combining something, right? Simplifying it. So negative 8k plus 8k, those are like terms. It goes to 0. That's why there's no more k's on the left side of the equation. And then 2k plus 8k is 10k. So both sides will be combined like terms. Okay. You guys know you can slow down, pause the video when you need, okay? We'll just do a couple more here. Which explanation matches the step taken? So, very long first line here. Looks like we have a negative 2n plus a 2n. And then a 3n plus a 2n. Maybe this is time to talk about this one. So this might be a good guess. Add 2n each side because we see it already. But this is more commenting on am I choosing to change the equation this way? Am I adding 2n to both sides, right? But because it's already laid out here, we just have to combine, right? Your negative 2n plus 2n is 0. 3n plus 2n, 5n. So this is another combined like terms. Okay. All right. Two-step equation. What happens between the first line and second line? Only a 2c remains, right? You have a 2c plus 14, which means we must have gotten rid of the 14. So if I'm adding 14 here, we probably have to subtract 14 from both sides. So that's subtract 4c. We don't want that. Subtract 14 from each side. I think we'll do 2 more, actually. But again, right, these videos are designed. You guys can use what you need. Looks like we have another 2-stepper here. So first line to the second line, looks like the 9 disappears, right, on this right side of the equation. So the 7t remains. If you look at the 2-step, we have to subtract 9 on both sides, then divide by 7. So that step that's happening right here, subtract 9 on both sides. All right, and I think this is a good mix of problems. This one, we have another set of parentheses. So I'm already thinking distribute, but let's just double check, okay? This left side stays the same between each line. The right side, let's see if the distribution happens. 4 times negative 3n is a negative 12n. We're good. And then go back to the 4 times a 2 is your 8. We're good. All right? So figure out the right steps. That explains the process.